Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a real pleasure to connect with you across time and space. I'm happy that you would join me today. Whatsoever you're feeling, whether it be insecurities, scarcity, fear, anger, disappointment, loneliness, despair, perhaps even joyfulness. Reminding you that you're not alone and that millions, if not billions of people around the globe can relate to the same pain. I know that I can. So at least you know that there's one person out there who can relate to the anxieties, the self-hatred, the shame, the guilt, the frustration. Reminding myself and reminding whoever's watching this that the pain comes and goes and is not what defines us. That being said, getting comfortable, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can bring awareness to something beyond the pain, beyond the anxieties, beyond the small self, into a larger, more expansive witness. Closing your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, witnessing and welcoming all that's going on inside you, embracing it. Taking a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale. Inhaling through the nose, and exhaling out the mouth. my friends, stay with me. Aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Every cell in the body breathing in. And every cell exhale. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing your belly. Opening the chest. Opening the palms of your hands and feet. Breathing in. Trust. And exhale, letting go of worries. Breathing in with awareness. And exhaling. Relaxing the face. Breathing in. And breathing out. Letting go of past. Breathing in forgiveness. And exhale. Breathing in healing energy. And exhale. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming yourself as you are. I want you to visualize that your heart is opening like a lotus in the sun. Feeling all kind of fragrance emanating from the heart space, melting away the anger, the sadness, the disappointment, and in its place, more openness, expansion, abundance, trust. want you to visualize that your heart now is being hugged. Sending a hug to your heart, my dear friend. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Looking inwards, observing your thoughts, emotion, sensation, very gently, very lovingly. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. Letting go of thoughts, letting go of storylines, coming into your body, aware of your posture, aware of this present moment, unlike any other moment that's ever been before. Absolutely unique. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. The color for today is purple. The number is 550. And the animal is a baby T-Rex. We don't often think of the T-Rex as an adorable animal. It can be very vicious. But a baby T-Rex, very adorable. Becoming aware of this space that you're in, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel. Taking one last deep breath for now. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Sending a hug to your heart that does so much work day in and day out, beating for us. Remember the significance, the nourishment of dropping down from the head from time to time and feeling your heart, being in the heart space, which actually has a lot of courage. Sometimes the mind always looking for threats, always looking for what could go wrong, and the heart, conversely, is bringing things together, is synthesizing things, has a courage to take action. So if you've been struggling to take action, don't even think about it. Just come into your heart, feel your heart, and let your heart guide the action. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.